Kia ora class, this video is designed to help you use Blendspace as a way of compiling an online learning portfolio, and this can be done for the event that we're studying, or it could be done for a certain issue or topic that we are researching. So what you need to do first is to go to the website www.blendspace.com, and then you sign up. Okay, so you would say I'm a student. Obviously I'm going to click I'm a teacher, and if you've already got a Google account or a Facebook account, then you can just click one of those and go directly in. I'm going to sign up with my Facebook account, or sign in with my Facebook account, and then as you can see, a classroom has been created called SHC Year 12 PE. So click on whichever one is relevant to you. If you are in SHC Year 13 PE, then obviously you would click on that one. And if you want to join the class, you just pop up to this little icon here that says Join Class, and click on that, and you enter your class code. Okay, the class code for Year 12 PE is WENT, W-E-N-T, and you click on Use Code, and then it will say that you are part of that class. And there will be other classes that we can create as the year goes on. The next stage of this is you need to create your own online portfolio, and we do this by creating a new lesson. It's called a lesson in Blendspace. So you simply click on that, and you want to create the new lesson for this one in Year 12 PE. That means I can access it and comment on it. We'll just give a little bit of time. So it will give you an option of going through and talking about how to set up a page. I'm just going to pause this video here and I'll do all that, and then I'll come back to you. So I can type in that our canvas is going to be about ICC Cricket World Cup. Okay, and what you can do is add your name next to it if you wanted to. So I'll just put there Mrs. D. Okay. And then that's the name of my lesson, and it makes it really clear to anyone else in our class who's looking at that. The next stage in your collection process is to add some of the video footage that we've looked at, any of your reflections, any documents, any of our classwork, really anything that is relevant to our learning around the ICC Cricket World Cup. That can include interviews that you've done yourself, that you've recorded, that can include newspaper articles that you've found. You can scan things and pop them up. So just to show you how you can collect these documents, if we come up here to the right hand menu, we can go to YouTube. You can search YouTube. We have been watching and some related ones will come up. I want to do a YouTube search because we've been watching Empire of Cricket as the documentary that we've been watching, so I'm going to do a search for that on YouTube. Okay, and we want to have a look at that. We've looked at the England one already. Okay, so we're going to look at this one here. We've already seen it, so all I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on it and I'm going to drag it to where I want it to go, and then that YouTube video will be available there every time that I want to have a look at it. You can insert web pages. So if I come down on the icons, the little world icon, and click on that, I can insert a website link, and I've already had a look at the ICC cricket website for the World Cup 2015. So I can pop that in there, do a little bit of a search. Okay, and there's the official website, so all I have to do is drag that into my lesson template, and I've got it there all the time to go and refer to. If you want to insert a file, you can do that directly from your hard drive, and so you just click on the little screen icon here, go up to choose file, and from my documents I want to come down and I want to choose the example whisk sheet that we looked at, that is connected to Empire of Cricket Part 1. So we open that. That will upload it into my uploaded files, and again all we have to do is click and drag and we've got it right there. If you have a look in this little area here, you can edit your description. So I can just write here Empire of Cricket England Part 1 Summary. Done. And that will have a more up-to-date description, and I might just put at the top here whisk. Something along those lines, and that should automatically save. You can see that I've added some more videos already, all the videos that we have on our homework list at the moment. If I need some more space, I can just scroll down and add a row. And then the next thing that I would like to add is the Empire of Cricket India Part 1. Do my search in YouTube, there it is, click and drag, and that will just keep going in there, and we can keep everything all in the same place. The other thing that you can do is you can rearrange what you have on your lesson template. So I really want to have this whisk sheet coming directly after the first documentary because it's the summary of that documentary, so I can just click and drag it into that position. You can also change your templates up here along the top menu bar. So I can keep it as it is, or I can make it look a little bit different, make it look a bit fancier and a bit more of a mosaic there. It's really up to you how you would like to organise your lesson. You can choose a theme, so we've got dark, or you can have it in different colours. I think those are the two options. And what's really cool is that when you come to play this, so if you're reviewing and having a look, it will come up like a slideshow, and then you can just flick through each file as you go. As we look at each other's portfolios, we can add comments at the side here. So thanks for sharing your summary, something like that, and add a comment. This also means that I can add comments to your work and give you some suggestions for how you can improve anything that you've missed out, that sort of thing. You can add text at any time, so if you hover over one of the grids and just click on add text, it'll give you the opportunity to write. So you could write something along the lines of different perspectives and write down your notes about the speech model. So social perspectives, political, educational, economic, cultural, historic, and perhaps some others like the future or technology and the perspective that that has on this particular issue, and save it. I've included some text boxes here that summarise the key themes, and you can edit those as you continue. So those are some of the key themes that we've been looking at, and also a questions page that again I can add to as my research continues. I hope that that's given you a good idea of the sort of things that you can, or the sort of different ways that you can use Blendspace as a space for collecting all your information in the planning stages of your assignment. And I look forward to seeing your own Blendspace lessons in the next few weeks. Thank you.